Plug Power has just received a $1.5 billion strategic investment from a South Korea group called SK Group, which is one of the largest conglomerates in South Korea. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm very excited for today's video because we are talking about Plug Power. We're going to dive a little deep into this new billion-dollar investment, talk about what this could mean for Plug Power and what an analyst does think about this. And I hope it is not too much to ask for an early thumbs up on this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. As always, you guys, I appreciate the support so much. And always remember, you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money. I am here and only here to post my own thoughts and opinions with any stocks may do a coverage of. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So here it is, you guys. Plug Power and South Korean SK Group to form a strategic partnership to accelerate hydrogen economy expansion in Asian markets. Through this partnership, Plug Power and SK Group intend to provide hydrogen fuel cell systems, hydrogen fueling stations, and electrolyzers to the Korean and broader Asian markets. In conjunction, this partnership, the companies have also entered into a definitive agreement for SK Group to make a $1.5 billion strategic investment in Plug Power. Now, I did say that SK Group is one of the largest conglomerates in South Korea, which will give Plug Power massive exposure. As it says here, the combination of SK Group's significant presence and leadership throughout Asia's energy industry and its strategic direction on portfolio transformation to green via hydrogen economy with Plug Power's leadership in hydrogen fuel cell systems, fueling stations, and green hydrogen generation represents a powerful team to accelerate the growth of hydrogen economy in Asian markets. Now, currently, the stock is up 29%. And if we look at the 5-day chart, you guys, you can see that it was only at $33.83 a share on December 31st. And it does look like there was just consolidation all the way until January 6th. So investors are pretty excited about this news as the stock is rallying right now. So what exactly does this joint venture mean? Well, basically, Plug and SK will create a South Korean joint venture to support the rapidly growing Asian market. South Korea's government has established a hydrogen economy roadmap through 2040, aiming to put 6 million fuel cell vehicles on local roads, establish 1,200 refilling stations to fuel the cars, and produce more than 5 million tons of hydrogen annually to fill the filling stations. In total, the country hopes to create a $40 billion hydrogen economy by 2040. So this is huge that this group wants Plug to help them with this, and it also does benefit Plug, like I said, to give them a broad maximum exposure in Asian markets and, just internationally in general. Now, one analyst is actually very excited about this as he believes that the $1.5 billion investment will boost Plug Power's revenues by an additional $500 million by 2024, which is a 40% increase over previous projections. Now, a few days ago, I was reading an article on Plug that they were just, all hype. There was no profits anywhere to be found, but it does say here that investors may not need to wait until 2024 to be profiting from this news, because Plug will release updated financial targets as early as January 21st, when the company is expected to give a new corporate update addressing the SK deal. And it does say here that Plug Power is in a position to profit from at least 2 of the legs of this hydrogen triad, and probably all 3. So obviously this brings in a whole new perspective on Plug Power, bringing in some profits real soon, which is absolutely what we want to see. Now, there has been some price target updates from 3 analysts. One is from Cohen & Co., valuing it at $50 a share 12 months from now. B. Riley Securities saying $52 a share, and H.C. Wainwright going as high as $60. I mean, the stock is already up $44.94 a share, and we probably can be seeing $60 a share very soon because of the fact that there is momentum now that investors can see profitable prospects coming very soon from this joint venture. And the outlook is looking absolutely great for Plug Power. Now, if we read this paragraph right here, it says Plug Power, which has previously promised investors that by 2024, it will be doing $1.2 billion in annual gross billings and earning $200 million a year, is now expected to do significantly better than that. H.C. Wainwright now projects that by 2030, the company could have $12.9 billion in annual revenue and $3.9 billion in annual operating profit, twice its previous estimates. So now the outlook has completely shifted to a whole new level from analysts and investors for Plug Power, and things are actually looking very promising. Now, the deal is expected to close in the first quarter of 2021, of course subject to regulatory approval, but this is just absolutely huge news, you guys, and I wanted to share this with you, especially with you Plug Power bulls. Well, that brings us towards the ending of this video. Please let me know down in the comments below what you think about this joint venture with SK Group and what it could mean for Plug Power's future and outlook. As always, your thoughts are extremely appreciated. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I would appreciate the support so much. With that being said, I'll see you guys next video.